The holidays are right around the corner, and if you need a side dish for the big day, try this shredded Brussels sprout salad with bacon and fig dressing. Start by shredding the sprouts. I like to do this in a food processor, but you can do it by hand if you want. Next, render some bacon until it's nice and crispy, and leave the drippings behind. Stir in whole grain mustard and fig jam. Next comes the apple cider vinegar along with some fresh thyme. Whisk in some oil and you have a tasty warm bacon and fig dressing. I like to serve the salad with chopped pears, crumbled blue cheese, pomegranate seeds, and almonds. Drizzle on the sauce and toss it all together. Serve with more dressing on the side.